You got him.
Holy shit, are you rolling?
Yeah. Yeah, we're rolling.
How many times do you think someone's hooked a python on rod and reel?
Woohoo! We got a python. We're gonna have to decapitate him.
Oh yeah, we're gonna try and grab his head.
Yeah, you got to get right behind his ears so they can't turn around and articulate.
Pretty nice size. The fact that he's swimming away from us is gonna work in our favor.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's as memorable as it gets. Okay, you got the grab?
If you can get him here and I can get behind him, yeah.
Dude, he's nice.
Yeah.
Hang on, don't grab the line. Just wait till he turns enough away from you. 3, 2, don't go in the water. Go straight down on his head. 1, go. Higher, higher. Got him. Holy shit, dude. Did we just do that?
Yeah, well, he's very angry and he has my arm.
Put his arm down, or put his head right there. No, put his head right here. We're gonna stop right there.
Watch my fingers, please.
Yeah, sorry, like that?
Yeah. No, yeah, he's just completely released.
Dude.
Fuck.
We just caught a python. Are you sure he's dead?
He's not dead. He's.
Put his head right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna just chop it right off.
Well, he has my wrist really tight.
Okay. Let's get the line off.
Yeah, just cut the line. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess if I'm gonna have anything dinging up, that's a.
Yeah.
Your hands.
I can't move my hand.
Unrock your hand. You okay?
Yeah.
What the hell just happened?
All right.
He is rapping. One more.
One minute. I'm gonna lose my grip. I'm gonna lose my grip, and he's gonna bite my fucking hand off. Okay.
Shit.
All right.
What a brute.
All right.
Okay. It might be easier for you to just chop him.
All right.
This doesn't even feel like it's really happening. Where's the knife? Watch out for this. You keep him on.
Yeah. Where's the knife?
I'll find the knife. You keep him untied. Where the hell did the knife just go? Oh, got it. You wrapped it up, but hang on, we gotta careful with your hands, dude. I don't like that. We gotta get him unwrapped more, and we're just gonna.
I'm losing his head. I'm losing his head. Right, he's very angry snake now.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Just step on his head the next time he does that. Step. Okay. Slice. Holy fuck.